everyone, let's learn how to form questions using is, am, and are. Is, am, and are the present forms of be. Remember, I told you in the previous lesson that be is a verb form which has various forms. So the present forms of be are, is, am, and are, and we will learn how to form yes and no questions and WH questions with the present form of be today. So let's start. Here are the positive statements. I'm in a room too. What you notice, it starts with the subject and then there is be form. In this sentence, it's am. I is the subject and am is the be form. In the second statement, you are in room 2. You is the subject and are is the be form. So subject plus be. In the third sentence, he is in room 2. He is the subject and is the form of be. So in this case, where the subject is plural, the formula is the same. We are. We are on time. Subject plus be. Now let's look at this table for yes or no questions. First with the singular subjects. How to form the question. So if the positive statement is I'm in room 2, the question is am I in room 2? So the be form is coming before the subject. So the order is reversed from the positive sentence. In positive subject statement, it's subject plus be, and in the question, it's be plus subject. Am I in room 2? Are you in room 2? And then is. Is he? Is she? Is it? So remember that we are dealing here with the singular subject. Here, you is one person. Now, how do we respond to these questions? Am I in room 2? Yes, you are. Or you can say, no, you're not. Or you aren't. So here you can see that we have used the contraction in different way. Here we have used the contraction of you and are. So you're not. And here we have contracted are and not together. So you aren't. You can use either way. Are you in room 2? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he in room 2? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Is she in room 2? Yes, she is. Yes, she's not, or she isn't, and so on. What if the subject is plural? How we form the questions? The same rule, the form of be will come first and the subject, then the subject. Are we on time? Yes, you are. No, you're not. Or you aren't. Are you on time? Yes, we are. In response, we are using we because you is plural here. You is referring to more than one people. Or no, we're not, or we aren't. Are they on time? Yes, they are. No, they're not, or they aren't. Okay, let's practice together. These are the statements. You have to turn them into questions. So, if the statement is, I'm a student, or I am a student, how would you turn it into a question? So, we will bring am before I, then I, or you can say, because the statement is I'm a question, someone is asking question to me. So I will say, are you a student? Statement is she is my sister. The question would be, is she your sister? There at the park. That's the statement. How would we form the question? Are they at the park? And we put question mark for the questions. Here we are using question mark at the end of the question and period or full stop at the end of the statement. Now turn these statements into questions. He is a doctor. We are going to the movies. Is it raining outside? You are very talented. The book is on the table. The cat is sleeping. The conference room is booked for tomorrow. So turn all these statements into questions and write your answers in the comment section. Here I have done it for you. I'm a student. Are you a student? She's my sister. Is she your sister, you can say, or is she my sister? They are at the park. Are they at the park? He's a doctor. Is he a doctor? We are going to the movies. Are we going to the movies? It is raining outside. Is it raining outside? You are very talented. Are you very talented? The book is on the table. Is the book on the table? The cat is sleeping. Is the cat sleeping? The conference room is booked for tomorrow. Is the conference room booked for tomorrow? Now, how would you respond to these questions? Are you a student? You can give a very short answer saying yes. Or you can say, yes, I am. Slightly longer answer. Or you can say, yes, I am a student. The longer answer. Is she my sister? Yes. Or you can say, yes, she is. Or no, she isn't. Or you can say, yes, she is my sister. Now write the answers for all of these questions using contractions. WH question. Here is a WH question. The first one. Notice this. Who is at the door? Who is at the door? Notice that we have WH word before the form of be. Who is at the door? In this case, you notice the question starts with what. Here it starts with where, when, why, how, who, what, where, and how. So you notice in all these questions that the questions start with the WH word, and after that comes the be form, which is, are, or am. So who is at the door? They are also called information question because you don't answer these questions with yes or no. Some information is required from you. Who is at the door? You will tell the name of the person. What's your favorite color? You have to tell the color. Blue is my favorite color. Or you can simply say blue. Where are they going for vacation? They're going to Pakistan for vacation. Or you can simply say Pakistan. So, when we talk, we use contractions. Remember, it's always important to be able to talk fluently without putting too much effort. Contractions make life easy when you're speaking. And informal writing as well prefers contractions. So what is contracted as what's. What's your name? Where is contracted to where's. Where's he going? Who is contracted to whose. Who's your friend? When is contracted to when's. When's the party? Why is contracted to why's. Why is he upset? How is contracted to how's. How is he doing? Now, intonation patterns. For the yes or no question, the intonation rises at the end of the question. Are you coming? While in WH question, it falls at the end. Where are you going? So when I was telling you about yes or no questions or WH questions, write in the comment section where my intonation patterns were not correct. So now you turn into teachers and tell me where I used intonation incorrectly. Again, for the yes or no questions, your intonation will rise at the end. Are you coming? Where are you going? I hope this lesson was helpful. Please write your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching and bye.